Hello, sut ydych chi? This week we're going to be learning some key vocabulary linked to Bwrdd Iechyd Prifysgol Betsy Cadwaladr. Bwrdd Iechyd Prifysgol Betsy Cadwaladr. Y Bwrdd Iechyd, the health board. Y Bwrdd Iechyd. Y Bwrdd means the board. Bwrdd is also the Welsh word for table, and Iechyd meaning health. Y Bwrdd Iechyd. Y gig, the NHS. Y gig. G-E-G. Remember, the I in Welsh is an E noise in Welsh. G-E-G. Y gig, the NHS. Iechyd y cyhoedd, public health. Iechyd y cyhoedd. Iechyd, meaning health. Y cyhoedd, the public. Iechyd y cyhoedd. Ysbyty, hospital. Ysbyty. Remember, in Welsh the word ysbyty comes first, followed by the name of that hospital. Ysbyty Glan Clwyd. Glan Clwyd Hospital, or again it literally translates to Hospital Glan Clwyd. Ysbyty Maelor. Ysbyty Gwynedd. Meddygfa, surgery. Meddygfa. A meddyg, M-E-D-D-Y-G, meddyg is doctor in Welsh. Meddygfa, surgery. Cyfarfod, meeting. Cyfarfod. Also the word for meet, so meaning meet and meeting. Apwyntiad, appointment. Apwyntiad. Asesiad, assessment. Asesiad. Triniaeth, treatment. Triniaeth. Argyfwng, emergency. Argyfwng. Pause the screen now and make a note of the 10 new vocabulary that you've learned today. Practice pronunciation as much as you can and try and include these phrases or keywords in your sentences in Gymraeg. Diolch, hwyl fawr.